Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Well, it's time to get this celery processed up. We're going to freeze dry it. We wash it good first. We've taken all the leaves off because we've got, I'm going to guess it was some rust and stuff, but we figured we'd just do the stalks this time. We got our cutting board right. We're going to grab us a knife and we're going to chop this up. We're not going to chop it up real fine, but we're going to chop it smaller. It makes it easier for the water. Instead of it having to come all the way down the stalk, it's just going to come out in those shorter sections. But we're going to get this chopped up and get this in the freeze dryer. Okay, there we go. We've got our celery chopped up. I chopped this up roughly about an inch. Let it dry more evenly and a little quicker. If you notice how dark this celery is, homegrown celery has got a lot more color to it, more chlorophyll, because we don't blanch it. We don't cover the stems and try to grow it that way. Now this is tall Utah celery, if you want to know the variety. And we like to do this more in the winter or the fall. We'll start a crop late summer and grow it through the fall. And usually our winters are mild, so we'll take and harvest this in the winter. It always seems like there's more sugars in the plant when it's grown in cool weather. The heat kind of stresses it a little bit. But anyway, we're going to get this into the freeze dryer and then we're going to show the rest of the process. Okay, we got most of our celery already powdered up here. We've got a batch going in here and we're going to grind this up. Okay, got that pretty much powdered up. Now we put it in a jar. All right, vacuum in the last one. We got almost 2 pints out of that celery, and that's the way we do it. Now we can use this for seasoning. And of course, a lot of you see celery salt in the store. Well, why put salt in your celery? You can do that whenever you add it to your dish. But anyway, simple as that, preserving that celery. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Give it a big thumbs up and enjoy that gardening experience.